and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Fishing boats with motor of less than 9.9 horsepower allowed to fish during ban period. Fishing with gill nets only. War begins in CCP between Mayor and Commissioner. Mayor virtually threatens Commissioner of action if Captain of Port's jetty work is not stopped. CM assures to finalize regional plan by next assembly session. Plan to be kept open in July for suggestions, amendments. CM stresses need for a state foster care scheme. Government proposes Goa technical vocational training to sex workers. Proposal deferred till next cabinet meet. And a jackfruit tree falls on a house in Bade, Kotegaon. House owner claims loss of 2 lakh rupees. Panchayat didn't fell the tree, claims the house owner. Now the news in detail. Canoes using motors below 10 horsepower can now venture for fishing. Government has excluded this class from fishing ban following their demand. Cabinet decided it on Friday. However, these canoes will have to compulsorily use gill nets. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has warned of strict action against the fishermen violating these guidelines. These canoe owners will not get any financial assistance or subsidy from the government. Parrikar addressed media after cabinet meeting on Friday.
एक फिशिंग बॅना संबंधान एक महत्वाचो निर्णय आहा तो म्हणजे जे पळय 10 हॉर्स पावर सकयल आसा तांचेर पर्सिंग नेट जर तांच्यांनी वापरले ना आनी फक्त गिल नेट वापरले जाल्यार तांचेर हो फिशिंग बॅन हे नासतलो इम्पोज नासतलो गिल GILL गिल नेट म्हणजे मोठे तांचे ते नॉर्मल आसता पर्सिंग नेट म्हणजे ते खरवडून काडटा ते एक्चुअली ते वापरपाक येना दे आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड फॉर दॅट बट दे यूज दॅट नेट म्हणूनच बॅन घाल्लो तांचेर वचपाक बट वी हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट वी विल इन्स्पेक्ट इफ पर्सिंग नेट इज फाउंड वी विल impound a vessel will take severe action below 10 horsepower. Secondly, there will be no benefit given to them, government benefit during this period. म्हणजे सरकारचो तरेतरेचे फायदे आहा पळय it is not given to them during this period. म्हणजे no one can claim subsidy तीन आणि बाकीची subsidy ना no benefit during this period. They have to do it on commercial basis. Oh yeah, during this period. And more important than that benefit is no pursing net. That is a must condition. Because that is the one actually why we had stopped everything.
Ongoing work at Captain of Port's jetty has sparked a bitter row between CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado and Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues. Mayor has written to the Commissioner asking him to immediately stop the construction work between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. He had earlier sent a similar letter on 4th June, to which the Commissioner did not even reply. Surendra Furtado has officially sent a virtual threat to Sanjit Rodrigues for dereliction of duty.
CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado has taken CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues head-on over Captain of Port's jetty work. Mayor on 4th June through a letter had asked the Commissioner to stop the work going on at jetty, but CCP Commissioner did not even reply to him. Now Mayor has sent a virtual threat to Sanjit Rodrigues. Mayor's letter to the CCP Commissioner says, "You are hereby directed to issue a notice to the Captain of Ports to immediately stop work between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. at the Panji jetty, which is contempt of Supreme Court order, which does not allow work within the city limits to be carried out between those hours. Failure to do so will mean dereliction of duty on your part as Commissioner of the City of Corporation of Panji and attract appropriate action against you for deliberately not being responsible and accountable in your duty." Now all eyes are set on Sanjit Rodrigues' reply to Mayor. Incidentally, Sanjeev happens to be the MD of the GSIDC, which is carrying out the construction work of the jetty. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to finalize the regional plan before forthcoming assembly session. Plan will be kept open from July for 2 months for suggestions or amendments. Government has decided to rectify the plan at specific places only.
One is when opening comes, it will come with a clear clarity. जाय जाल्यार हांव म्हणजे जुलय म्हणला हांवें म्हणजे गरज पडल्यार 15 दीस लेट जालें जाता म्हाका पण येता आसतना पूर्ण क्लॅरिटीचेर येवंक जाय. म्हाका विचारशात जाल्यार मॅक्सिमम 60 days इट शूड बी क्लोज्ड वॉट एवर यू ओपन. आनी ओपनिंग म्हणजे सगळें कन्वर्शन करपाक दितलो अशें न्हय. इफ देर इज एन व्हेरी इनजस्टीस तांच्यांनी दिल्या पयलीं सगळे रिपोर्ट त्याच रिपोर्टाचो अभ्यास करून कोणाक तांय कितें म्हणपाचें इतलेंच आयकून घेवपाचें न्हय. पंचायतीचो म्हजो जो कॉन्सेप्ट आसा वीच आय एम ट्रायंग टू फायंड आउट हाव इट इज कॅन बी फिटेड इन लॉ इज वॉट एवर मे बी रिजनल प्लान यू सुपर इम्पोज पंचायत मॉडेल वॉट एवर इज एक्सेप्टेड बाय पंचायत ऑन द रिजनल प्लान and execute only to that extent कि whatever model is selected by the village panchayat will be honored by the village panchayat. I am underlining the word by the village panchayat because Gram Sabek there is no mechanism of getting everyone first. Number 2, to verify everyone is your voter, and 3, there are many people who don't like to talk. They are not fighters. They don't want enmity. So voting by the villagers to select a defined pattern can be a solution. I am trying to find out a way of fitting it in legal way. But this is your RP of your village. Now you decide what is the model you want. A, B, C, D, E, F. They can't change it midway. Once they vote for it, plebiscite जालो की ना परत 5 वर्सांनूच change करपाक येतलो. I am just throwing ideas. It is not decision. It will be declared first. अशा पद्दतीन आमी करूंक सोदता म्हणून ते ताज्या पयलीं आमदारां बरोबर कन्सल्टेशन स्टेक होल्डरा बरोबर कन्सल्टेशन ते वेरियस NGOs लायक गोवा बचाव अभियान तांकां आपोवन तांच्या बरोबर कन्सल्टेशन्स हे काही प्रोसेस जातले पण ते सगळे प्रोसेस जुलयान चालू जातले. सपोज दिस प्रोसेस इज एंड इन जुलय देन वी वील ओपन इट इन जुलय अदरवायज इट मे स्पील ऑन टू ऑगस्ट. म्हजे तकलेन आहा ते म्हणजे शक्यतो नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली पयलीं जवळपास विशय सेटल जाल्लो आसूंक जाय.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.